What do we do?
Hi.
Oh, you?
Let's see. Hi.
What are you doing?
Nothing. Let me see something.
Sorry, Miriam.
I'm just looking at your glasses. Oh, nice glasses, Eva. Can I wear them? I think they're too big.
You're very Shuko Pixar.
Here. Let's see.
No. No.
What's this blue bag?
Say no.
No.
Do an impression of Annie.
Who am I? Who am I? Me.
You're Batty.
Who am I? I'll be out in a minute.
Capo.
Ta-da!